Hello, welcome. Today we are continuing our Fall in Love with Uke ukulele challenge where we are learning 10 love songs. This is the song that won the poll on our community tab, so people voted for perfect. So of course we had to bring it to the challenge. Let's get started. Throughout the lesson, I'll be switching back and forth between GCEA and DGBE ukulele, and both of the chord charts for that are on the side. Excuse my cats, they're very hyper. This song is in a feel of 6, so it's going to have this kind of pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the verse and the pre-chorus, we're actually going to do finger style. So what I would like for you to do is put a finger on each string, and then we're not pulling out. That makes a really nasty sound, so please don't pluck. I want you to just bring your fingers together, and that will strike the strings. And it's actually a very soft sound, and that's okay. So go to a G and squeeze. And that's the sound that we want. So we're going to do that a little fast, so we're gonna have to practice squeezing fast. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is E minor or E minor 7. Choose the one that sounds good to your ear. I'm gonna go to E minor 7 because it's so easy to just lift the finger. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each one of those is getting 12 beats. So I'm just counting to 6 twice. And on Berry Uku, it looks like this. We're going to G, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna leave my ring finger there and just add the E minor shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we jump to C and D, each one 12 beats. Go to C, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will give you 6 beats and then we start. So I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we start. Boom. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. E minor. C. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. D. Get ready to switch to G. Ready, go. Think of the next chord. Ready, go. Think of C. Ready, go. Think of D. And I messed it up. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. 4, 5, 6. Repeat it. Ready, go. 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If strumming all 6 times or doing the little gentle squeeze all 6 times is too fast for you, then what you can do is just emphasize those important beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the verse, we were doing the gentle squeezes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When we go to the pre-chorus, we want to add a little bit more motion. So we're going to do strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now we are moving to the beautiful chorus, and on this one, each chord only gets 6 beats. So it's going to move faster, and I think that's what adds motion to the song. So we have E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C, 4, 5, 6. G, and D. And you're gonna do that 4 times. And that's the chorus. How magical is that? So easy to remember, right? So let's just do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold on. Let's do that again because maybe some of us stayed on E minor for 2 bars. Here, let's try that again. Remember to move quickly from E minor to C. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. C. G. D. Repeat it. C. G. D. There is one more part in the song that I think would be the trickiest to memorize, but I mean, as long as we study it, we'll be fine. And this is what I call a link. And the link sounds like this. We have G, D, E minor, D, C, D. Let's try it together if you're ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Verse. Okay, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's actually trickier on this ukulele because of that D to E minor switch. It's fast. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I was studying to be a teacher, I learned that you will remember 50% more if you review at the end of the lesson than if you didn't. So let's review real quick. This song is in a feel of 6. So we're gonna feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With the more important beats being 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If strumming or squeezing all 6 beats is too difficult, focus on 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's okay. So we're going to start at the verse, and we're going to start with the gentle squeezes. And just to review, it's not a pluck. Don't pull out to make that louder because it's not a sweet sound when you. It's too sharp. So it's just your fingers are coming together. Make sure the hand is relaxed. Don't carry any tension there. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, E minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. C, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D. Back to G. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. E minor 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. C. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. D. Pre-chorus down strums. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. 1 G. 1 D. G. Move fast, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try again, E minor, go. C, G, D. Way to go about this song is to see the patterns in the song and the places where things repeat so that you don't feel overwhelmed by the length of the song because it is a longer song. If you are sharing video of your progress, please use the hashtag so that we can see it and just share with each other. Thank you so much for being my student. Thank you for letting me be your teacher. I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!